Mr. Swinger One here. I figured I'd post a quick short. I have a video out with this Grant Tuff wheel reproduction, and I had tried to wire the Grant switch up. I didn't like how that turned out, so I ended up buying the actual Tuff wheel horn switch from Classic Industries, and I have that wired in. There's a hot wire going to a tab, plus I have a ground wire because I have my Delrin adapter. So I had to run a ground wire down through the center of the column. But I wanted to post this and let everybody know this is the switch you want with the Grant Tuff wheel. You want the actual Tuff wheel switch. It comes with 3 screws that fits the holes that are already pre-tapped into the Grant Tuff wheel. This here took a little bit of fabricating and it never worked right. It was hokey. Even what little bit I had it wired up, it was just giving me problems. So I sprung for the switch. All right, take care.